Hello, today we are solving October 2023 paper unit 2. So for the question number A part 2, we have to calculate the revenue. In the earlier portion, okay, we had calculated what is the number of sale units that needs to be, the quantity of sale unit that needs to be achieved at the break-even point. It was around 26,000 units. Now what is the revenue at this break-even point? So the revenue at the break-even point is going to be equal to break-even sales quantity units times the selling price. So that is equal to, we know that at the break even the quantity sold was 26,000 times the selling price was around 320. So that is equal to 8,320,000. So that is equal to 8,320,000 units. Okay, the pounds. That's the revenue at the break even. Now calculate for 1 year the margin of safety in sales units. So now let's calculate the margin of safety. The margin of safety is a point, okay, which is equal to the actual sales that's happening minus the break even sales. So you would have calculated, okay, you would have done the break-even calculation, but the actual sales might be different. The difference, okay, the difference between the actual sales in unit minus the break-even sales in units will be the margin of safety. Break-even sales in unit is the margin of sales. So that is equal to the actual sales in unit. We know that in 1 year the production will be equal to 45,000 and 95% are expected to be sold. So 95% okay of 45,000 units minus the break even sales in units. So that is equal to 42,750 minus 26,000. So that is equal to 16,750 units. Then margin of safety as a percentage of sales. So you know that below the break even point there could be loss, above the break even point there will be profit, and these margin of safety help you understand how much more units, okay, that should be there in your system so that it doesn't drop to break even and below. So the next one is margin of safety as a percentage of sales. So let's calculate. So here it is calculated as, since 50 in units which you had calculated in margin of safety in sales units, okay, divided by actual sales in units with respect to the actual sales in units times the 100. So this gives us the percentage that was achieved for the margin of safety. So with respect to the actual sales, so times 100. So that is equal to margin of sales in units was 16,750. Okay, we know that it is 16,750 divided by the actual sales. We know it is 95% of 45,000 e-bikes, that is equal to 42,750. So 42,750, okay, times the 100. So that is equal to 39.18%. So this is the margin of safety that could be achieved in sales.